Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got into my basic drag makeup. And if you guys want to see how I got into this makeup, keep on watching. My eyebrows just really itchy, but I'm going to go in with this because I started with my eyebrows already done. They look a little crazy, but they'll go with like the eyeshadow. Also, I don't even believe in primer, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go with my orange color corrector because I got a lot of blue. Well, I don't have a lot of it, but I have just enough that I wanna go in with a really, really light orange. I don't know, if you're trying to color correct, don't use red because that won't really help. Because it'll be way too hard to blend out. And the way I do my makeup is so cakey that it doesn't even matter. I don't really have to set this. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna go in with our white face paint and add some little areas that we're gonna brighten. Going with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. I've been actually using that recently and I kinda like it, so I've just been using this, and the white face paint and the orange stuff is my base, and I've been making it controversial yet brave. I don't put foundation on my ears because I don't wanna. Okay, and then we're gonna powder our under eyes and everywhere else, but we're gonna kind of avoid on the nose because we're just gonna go and cream contour that right quick. Also, I'm not about filtering makeup videos. I think that's so stupid that people will filter makeup videos or filter how their face is. And it's girl. But I stopped really editing the photos that much. Used to heavily edit it. Well, not heavily, but I actually edit. But no, I don't even. I guess that's just me. Stop caring. But if you do good enough makeup, it's you don't really have to edit that much. I don't even mean just a filter. I mean fully edited, being weird, and then also weird little thing where they're trying to make you believe that it's a face mask, but it's actually just chia seeds that they put on top of the face mask to make you think that they did it. And I just don't really understand. Just sell a product that actually works. I just don't think that makeup, especially if you're trying to sell something, should be filtered. Or you should disclaim, but if you're making a video to go along with it, I don't feel it should be filtered. But I'm also of the belief that makeup shouldn't be sold because it's easy to sell to gullible people. I think it should be sold because it is good, and that goes for skincare too. I'm just trying to get my little base contour in, which is a lighter color, kind of all, but I do all here, so that it makes my face kind of disappear right here. Should have pinned back my hair in retrospect, but does that make the match the ear a little bit better? I don't know. And then I'm going to powder where I want to bake in some dimension. Also, I didn't highlight my cheekbones today because I just being with this transition shade, like right here, so that we don't have to blend up too far to the brow with our other colors. We want to put the transition shade right about here. And also, I like blend all my eyeshadow like up, like just the way my eye works. It kind of flicks it out, but all good. So I am using my Too Faced Peach palette. Don't come for me. Just kidding. Using Summer Yum. Just really defining the crease and where I want to create that my little moment. I'm going to grab some Charmed, I'm sure, and put it right where all these little things are. So this is like my basic drag makeup, what I do if I was getting into like different costumes, because I find like a brown eye and a pink lip is very simple for me. Make sure to be a quiet baby, Faye, okay? So I'm going to go with my whites. Why don't you just do it fast? You're like sitting there like... Hmm? I'm just going to go with my whites and put them on the underneath of my eye and on my crease. Okay, I'm going to go with my Trixie Cosmetics Glitter in shade Marshmallow. And go on that white. And then I'm just going to go in right on these little corners and just stamp them right out of the eye. Okay, so from here I just put on some eyeliner and some mascara and lashes and then a lip. And on the bottom to marry that brown eyeshadow and the under eye mascara in. And just fully get it all over your face. Okay. Well, I suck at putting on under eye mascara. Oh my god, especially to take a hot mess. Try to smoke that out a bit. Oh. Oh, I'm making it worse. Okay, so I'll put on lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, in the middle, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Stacy's Mom from Trixie Cosmetics, and then do a little gloss over that. This looks brighter on the bottom than it does on the top for me. This is just a Wet n Wild one. Very pretty. I'm gonna go mess around with my hair and I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.